Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the color of your taskbar in Windows 11. Whether you want a custom look or just want to make your desktop feel more personal, changing the taskbar color is quick and easy. Let's jump right in. We can start with click the Start menu or press the Windows key on your keyboard. Select Settings or just type Settings and open it from the search. Once you're inside the Settings window, we're going to head over to the Personalization options. In the left-hand sidebar, click on Personalization, then choose Colors from the list on the right. Here is where all the color customization happens. Scroll down to the Accent Color section. You can choose Automatic to let Windows pick a color based on your wallpaper, or choose Manual to select a custom color from the palette below. You can also click View Colors to pick a custom shade or even enter a hex or RGB code for precise coloring. Now here's the most important part. Scroll a bit further down to find the section labeled Show Accent Color on Start and Taskbar. Toggle the switch on, but this option only becomes available when your Windows mode is set to dark. If it's grayed out, go back to the Choose Your Mode section at the top and select Dark under Choose Your Default Windows Mode. Then scroll down again and enable Show Accent Color on Start and Taskbar. Boom! Your Taskbar and Start menu will now reflect the color you picked. If you want to change the color of title bars and window borders too, toggle the other option labeled Show Accent Color on title bars and Windows borders. You can experiment with different modes like light, dark, or custom to see which combo looks best. And that's it. You've successfully customized your taskbar color in Windows 11. A small change can make your desktop feel more personal and fresh, especially if you love a specific theme or color vibe. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other Windows 11 tips you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing!